I'm back! Mainly to remind you guys to drink your milk. Always good tasting milk. I try to keep this channel as simple as possible when it comes to the recipes, and today is no different. We're going to be making a oven-baked bacon grilled cheese. Set your oven to 450 and let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy! Flat baking sheet, layer it with some bacon. If you're looking for easy cleanup, do what I did, line it with aluminum foil. I'm hoping it's easy cleanup. Get it into the oven, preheated oven. It's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. The thickness of the bacon will determine the time. So we're at 10 minutes. I got thin bacon. I'm going to reset my oven temperature to 350. Take my bacon out. What I'm going to do is transfer that bacon over to a plate lined with paper so I can start sucking up some of that bacon juice. Move this off to the side. So what are we going to do with some of this bacon juice? We're going to make use of it. I'm going to take some sourdough bread. Sop up some of that bacon juice. How do I want it? I'll put it over here. I'm going to make 2 sandwiches. Let me get some more of that juice over here. Some on this side. And I pretty much used all the bacon juice. I'm going to take some of that pepper jack cheese I showed earlier. Two slices. Some cheddar cheese. Take some of that bacon, load it up. And let's get this back in the oven. Now all we're looking for now is for that cheese to melt and that bread to form a nice brown crust. After that, time to plate up. Once you form your sandwich and put it back into the oven, bake it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Then give it a flippy flip, bake it another 6 to 8 minutes, and there you have your oven-baked bacon grilled cheese. Until next time, cook! Don't be lazy!